Ever wondered how to grow your own tomatoes at home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're demystifying the process of growing tomatoes from seed to harvest. It's simpler than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own tomato garden. First, you need to understand that tomatoes need plenty of sunlight. A sunny location is vital for their growth. A sunny garden with lots of open space is ideal. They crave a minimum of 6 hours of sunshine each day. So don't underestimate the power of sunlight. It's important to choose a spot that gets direct sunlight for most of the day. Choose the right spot, and you're off to a good start. Now, it's time to plant your seeds. Start by filling your pots with a high-quality potting mix. Gently place the tomato seeds about 1/4 inch deep into the mix. Cover them lightly with soil. With patience, you'll soon see your seeds sprout into young plants. Growing tomatoes isn't just about planting seeds. It's a nurturing process that involves regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning. Tomatoes love water, but they also love balance. Providing a steady supply of water is crucial, yet ensuring good drainage is equally important to prevent root rot. Fertilizing aids in their growth, while pruning helps maintain their health and vigor. Like any living being, tomatoes too need a balance of care and space to flourish. With proper care, your plants will grow strong and healthy. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. The color is your first clue. When they've transformed from green to a vibrant red or yellow, they're ready. But don't just rely on color, feel them too. They should be firm but give slightly under pressure. Remember, tomatoes taste best when allowed to fully ripen on the vine. So patience is key here. Picking them too early may result in a less flavorful fruit. And there you have it, your very own homegrown tomatoes. Growing your own tomatoes can be a rewarding experience. Remember, choose a sunny location, plant your seeds with care, nurture your plants regularly, and harvest your tomatoes when ripe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.